Hello everyone. Today we are stepping into a very exciting and very practical topic, integrating generative AI and machine learning into your technology stack within ITIL 5. Formally speaking, integrating GenAI and machine learning into a service management technology stack involves embedding intelligent, data-driven capabilities into operational systems to enhance automation, prediction, decision support, and value delivery. Now let me simplify that. It means adding smart systems into your existing tools so they can think, predict, and assist instead of just record and report. Stay with me here. In the past, your ITSM tool logged incidents. Today, AI can categorize them automatically, predict recurring patterns, and even suggest solutions before a human reads the ticket. That is not science fiction anymore. It is happening in real service environments. I remember when automation meant simple scripts. Now we are talking about systems that learn from patterns. That's a massive shift. So now that we understand what integrating AI into the tech stack actually means, you might be wondering where GenAI and machine learning fit within the existing ITIL ecosystem. And that brings us right into our next scene. Let's position GenAI within the tech stack. Formally, a technology stack refers to the combination of infrastructure, platforms, applications, and data systems that collectively support service delivery. In simple language, it's the layered system of tools your organization uses to operate. Your tech stack may include monitoring tools, ITSM platforms, CI/CD pipelines, cloud services, analytics dashboards, and collaboration tools. GenAI and ML don't replace these layers. They sit across them, enhancing them. I work with a fintech company where their monitoring platform was already strong. By adding ML-based anomaly detection, they moved from reactive alerts to predictive alerts. Instead of responding to failures, they prevented them. You've probably seen dashboards that show red alerts after something breaks. Now imagine alerts appearing before impact occurs. That's integration done right. So now that we understand where AI fits in the stack, you might be wondering what practical use cases look like in service management. And that takes us into our next scene. Let's explore real use cases. Formally, machine learning in service management can be applied to incident prediction, automated categorization, intelligent routing, risk scoring, capacity forecasting, and customer sentiment analysis. Now let's make that simple. AI can help decide faster, route smarter, and predict earlier. I once worked with an e-commerce company during peak holiday season. Historically, system slowdowns happened every year. After implementing ML-based capacity forecasting, they predicted load spikes and scaled infrastructure proactively. Downtime dropped significantly. You've probably seen repetitive tickets like password resets or VPN access issues. GenAI-powered chatbots can resolve these instantly. That frees human agents to focus on complex tasks. And here's something interesting. Sentiment analysis tools can read customer messages and detect frustration before escalation. That's powerful. AI is hungry for data. Formally, effective machine learning integration requires structured, high-quality, and well-governed data pipelines that support training, validation, and deployment of intelligent models. Simple translation? AI only works well if your data is clean and organized. Stay with me here. I worked with a logistics company that implemented AI-based ticket classification. Initially, results were inaccurate because historical ticket data was inconsistent. Categories were misused, descriptions were vague. After cleaning the data and standardizing categories, accuracy improved dramatically. You've probably seen AI tools underperform. Often, the problem isn't the algorithm, it's messy data. So now that we understand the importance of data quality for AI success, you might be wondering how governance ensures responsible and safe AI usage. And that takes us into our next scene. Governance becomes critical with AI. Formally, AI governance involves establishing policies, controls, ethical standards, and oversight mechanisms to ensure intelligent systems operate responsibly, transparently, and in alignment with organizational objectives. In plain English, don't let AI run wild. I once saw a chatbot automatically approve low-risk changes without human review. It worked well until one edge case slipped through and caused a service disruption. That incident led to the introduction of layered approvals for sensitive categories. You've probably heard concerns about AI bias or incorrect recommendations. Governance frameworks ensure validation, monitoring, and accountability. ITIL 5 emphasizes risk-based thinking. AI integration must align with change enablement and information security practices. Humans don't disappear, their roles evolve. Formally, in AI-enabled service ecosystems, human professionals transition from task execution to oversight, optimization, and strategic analysis roles. Let me simplify that. Humans move from doing to supervising and improving. I worked with a service desk where AI handled level 1 tickets. Agents initially feared replacement, but instead they were retrained to review AI decisions, improve knowledge bases, and analyze trends. Job satisfaction increased because repetitive work decreased. You've probably seen this pattern. When automation handles basics, humans handle complexity. GenAI can draft reports, but humans refine insights. ML can detect anomalies, but humans interpret business impact. Performance measurement must adapt. Formally, in AI integrated service environments, key performance indicators must reflect both automated efficiency gains and enhanced human value contributions. Simple words: don't measure people by outdated numbers. If AI reduces ticket volume by 50%, measuring agents by ticket count becomes meaningless. Instead, measure quality of complex resolution, customer satisfaction, innovation contributions, and improvement initiatives. I once saw a company mistakenly penalize agents for reduced ticket numbers after chatbot implementation. After redefining KPIs to focus on problem-solving depth and proactive improvements, morale improved significantly. You've probably seen metrics lag behind technology changes. That creates confusion. Let's bring everything together calmly and clearly. Integrating GenAI and machine learning into your tech stack means embedding intelligence across monitoring, incident management, change enablement, capacity planning, and customer engagement. It requires clean data, strong governance, evolving roles, and updated performance metrics. In simple terms, AI amplifies your service management capabilities, but only if integrated thoughtfully. For the 2026 exam shift, scenario questions may describe predictive analytics, automated approvals, or AI chatbots. The correct answer will rarely be just automate everything. Instead, it will require balancing intelligence with governance, data quality, and human oversight. When you think holistically about integrating Gen AI into the information and technology dimension, you think like a modern digital service leader. So now that we have mastered how to integrate Gen AI and machine learning into the tech stack, you are fully prepared to explore how partners and external ecosystems influence intelligent service delivery. And that is exactly where our journey continues next. We are going to discuss Dimension 3, Partners and Suppliers, the ecosystem view, in details in next chapter.